Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today, we're going to be taking a look and we're going to be opening this case of CCAR rations, or Close Combat Assault Rations. Now, this is a very, very fresh case. This case was produced literally right at the end of 2025. So, very, very fresh. And if you're wondering what the CCAR ration is, this is the new designed ration to replace the old First Strike ration. And to be honest with you, this is actually a pretty fresh First Strike ration. Alright, so what we're going to be doing in this video, we are just going to be opening this case up and taking them out and just looking at them. And then there will be a follow-up video where, you know, we're going to do a proper opening of one of the rations. But for this video, we're just going to get into the case and see. I think there's 10 of these rations in here, if I'm not mistaken. But we're going to find out. Okay, are you ready? I was going to ask to make sure you subscribe to the channel, but I ain't doing that no more. It's just old habits. All right, so here we go with some brand new CCAR rations. Are you ready? Let's do it. All right, so we are back with these Close Combat Assault Rations. All right, like I said in the intro, these things, these are new. Okay, well, they're new-ish, but these were made for the military to replace the older First Strike ration. Now, if you don't know what the First Strike ration is, this is one right here. Okay, and this is actually a pretty fresh First Strike ration. Like, this First Strike ration was made at the beginning of 2024. This is menu number 9. Okay, what a First Strike ration is. First Strike rations are generally deployed and used in the Marine Corps, because generally whenever we do whenever we engage in kind of like new operations, the Marines are generally the first boots on the ground. And there's no infrastructure set up yet. There's no FOB. There's none of that. So instead of giving the guys MREs, because if you're familiar with the regular MRE rations, they have food that is cooked in a retort pouch, but they also have like flameless ration heaters so you can heat them up and stuff like that. These rations were produced. You don't get a flameless ration heater. You don't get any of that. Everything in this ration is meant to be taken out, opened, and consumed, even when you are still on the move. Hence why it's called a First Strike ration. All right, now this is the original First Strike ration, or, before this one, this is the predecessor to this one. This is a 24-hour ration, and as you can tell, this ration is pretty big, because this is for 24 hours of sort of high endurance. Your guys are really doing a lot. So these things are very, very packed with calories and all that stuff. And it says right here on it, it says, contains an entire day's food formulated to help you perform at your peak and complete your mission. Yeah, man, I'm pumped up just reading that. I'm ready to run out my front door, man, and do a mission. I don't know what. All right, either way, this is the ration that replaced it, and I am going to open this, I think, because you see how the writing is this way? I think I'm going to open it this way. I hope I'm not making a mistake. And man, these things are hard to open, bro. God, dog. Come on. I'll give props to the contractors, man, for the glue they used to glue these boxes together. All right, so why am I doing this? Well, here's the thing, guys. Right now, these rations, because they are new, they are somewhat difficult to get. And whenever you do get them, they are expensive. Like, these things are not cheap at all. I think I paid over $200 for this case. So now that I've said that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, just because I am never going to recoup my money on this video for this. All right, so here's a look at when you open the box, or when you open the case. This is how they're packed. Some are flat and some are sideways. So we'll take this one right here. Okay. So this one is, or at least one of the entrees I can see here, is spaghetti with beef and sauce. And here's the front. And this is menu number 1. Okay, menu number 1. Spaghetti with beef and sauce. And this is still made by CCAR. And it is something to note that CCAR, you can see right here, CCAR. Well, let me move it like this. See, CCAR. So CCAR is still in charge of making these first strike rations, but this is the close combat assault ration, so yeah. Okay, we got something from Sterling Food in there. Okay, and you can see this thing, man, this thing is packed full of stuff. Look at that. That's a lot of stuff. And look at this. This looks like to be a main pouch. This right here. But look at that. It's got like a pouch, a side to eat directly out of the pouch, without having to cut the pouch, open, like side long ways or whatever. You've got a little neck there. So, like I said, these are made to just eat, open, consume. Cold spaghetti, man. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so that's menu number 1. All right, let's take this other one right here off the top. Okay, so we got 2 menu number 1s. That's good. So we got another spaghetti. We got two spaghettis. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this one right here. Okay. This is very concerning, man. This is another spaghetti. Okay, so we got a third spaghetti. Please don't tell me we got a fourth. Oh my God, we got a fourth spaghetti. Ed, I think you might be getting some spaghetti. You might be eating some cold spaghetti. All right, so we got a fourth menu number 1. Okay. All right, finally we got something different. Menu number 2. All right, we got menu number 2. This is chicken burrito bowl, but it's got some Star-Kissed tuna in it. Okay. Okay. Chicken burrito bowl. Man, there's all kinds of stuff in there. Okay, so menu number 2. I'll put them over here. All right, menu number 2 is there. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, menu number 3. Okay, now we're moving. Now we're getting somewhere. I don't know why I got 4 menu number 1s, but, whatever. All right, so we got menu number 3, beef stew. And right here you can see some recovery salted caramel marshmallow crisp. What? Salted caramel marshmallow crisp. Hey, Ed, what is that? What are salted caramel marshmallow crisp? I don't know what that is. But look at that. Look at how wide that ration is. Look at how wide. Dude, that is crazy. Dude, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right, so that's menu number 3. Okay, so we got spaghetti, chicken burrito bowl, and beef stew. Okay. Or wait, let's get a count real quick. Okay, we got another beef stew. Okay, so we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there is only 10. There's only 10 rations in this box. Okay? Okay, so what do we got here? Okay, we got another number 3 beef stew. Okay, so we got... Oh, don't tell me. Wait a minute. Okay, we got a burrito bowl. Okay. Okay, what's the last one? And a burrito bowl. Okay, so... And that's all of them. Okay, so in this case, we got 4 menu number 1s, 3 menu number 2s, and 3 menu number 3s. Okay. And don't ask me. I have no idea how many variants there are. I have no idea. You guys know, right now, you guys know just as much as I know about these CCAR rations. But I'm going to open one. I'm going to send one to Wolfman here on YouTube. He does a channel where he eats a lot of military rations and, you know, food from everywhere that's not America. And so check out his channel and just, you know, go to the search bar on YouTube, type in Wolfman MRE. His channel will come up. And I'm going to send him one of these. I'm going to let him pick whichever one he wants. And I'm going to send it to him. So he will be doing a proper review on these. I'm going to do a video where I open one of these and go through all the contents and everything. And check it out. So be on the lookout for that. You know, give me a thumbs up, you know, if that's something that you want to see in the future. You know, I'm going to do it anyway, but, you know, at least, you know, make me feel better. And as per usual, I'm going to get out of here and get situated and see what I'm going to do. But hey, I love all you guys. Thank you for being here with me if you made it this far in the video. God bless all of you. And again, if you're struggling in your life, look to the Lord. Let the Lord give you your direction and let Him take the troubles off of you. All you got to do is pray with an open heart, open mind. Let Him come into your life, turn your life around. And I'm going to tell you something. I had an experience today where I took my youngest daughter with me to my wife's store that she's the manager of. And I went to buy some chocolate bars. And I went to check out and they wouldn't scan. And, you know, the person checking me out was kind of like, well, you know, hey, just don't worry about it. Because it was just one little pack. And I said, no. I said, let's figure it out, you know, because it wouldn't scan. And he didn't know that, you know, my wife was the boss, you know. So I went and got her, and she, you know, showed him how to punch it in, whatever. And then I used that as a teachable moment for my youngest daughter. I said, hey, look, you know, this is a moment where, you know, you do the right thing. You know what I mean? And by me doing that, it kept him from not misstepping. And so, you know, there is a lot to be learned, you know, from turning your life around and just being a good person. A lot of things come to you. A lot of satisfaction comes to you. I'm not going to blather no more. So I'm out of here. I'm going to hang out with my channel members. There is a join button down there if you want to check out my channel memberships. I do these live. So, you know, people that are in my community can interact with me live and make fun of me and hurt my feelings and everything, you know, and I have to take it. Not really. But anyway. All right, I'm out of here. I love all y'all. See y'all in the next one, guys. Peace.